This is a problem sums on volume. A rectangular tank with height 36 cm and a square base of 9 cm is 3/4 filled with water. The water is then poured into a cubic container of each 8 cm to fill it completely. How much water was left in this tank? So let me illustrate, let me draw what exactly is happening in this question, okay? So you basically have a rectangular tank that looks something like this. Okay, square base of 9 centimeter, and this is 36 cm here, is 3/4 filled. So you have some water inside here, 3/4 filled with water. So what is happening is you are taking this water and you're putting it into a cubical container. Now the cubical container looks like this. Okay, and just putting it in, you are trying to fill the cubical container fully. Okay, you're trying to fill it up fully with the water that is originally from here. You transfer some of the water into this small cubical container. So that is full now, and there will be some water left here in the original rectangular container. Okay, bear in mind this is a 8 cm cube. 8 cm, 8 cm everywhere. Okay, so the first step to this question is to find out how much water do you have in this rectangular tank originally. Volume of water in your rectangular tank. Okay, now this will just be 3/4 filled, right? So it's 3/4 of means times, of the original volume. Original volume of this tank, capacity is length times breadth times the height. Okay, so 3/4 times 9 times 9 times 36. Okay, this will be 2187 cubic cm of water. And you're taking this water, you're filling this cube up. So let's see what is the volume of water in the cube. Okay, so again, it's length times breadth times height. So it's 8 times 8 times 8. 8 times 8 times 8. Let's try and do that. That will be 512 cubic cm. So basically you have actually transferred, let's go back to the drawing, you have transferred 512 cubic cm of water from your original 2187 cubic cm. So what's the last step that's required to find the amount of water, the volume of water that's left here? One small step that is required at the end, volume of water left. This will just be a simple subtraction. 2187 take away 512. And we'll get a final answer of 1675 cubic cm. Finish. Okay, so it helps if you can actually draw things out like this.